Well, good morning all. This is Tom Bissonette with the Did You Know from the week of July 6, 2020. Listen, this is a short one today. I know you guys are just kind of overburdened with all kinds of information and paperwork, and I get it. So I kept it a little bit short. I want to started off my little newsletter with a talk about our fall conference. And I know that some of you are prepared to go there in person, and we're going to accommodate that, and some of you are not prepared to go there in person, and that's okay too. We're going to have a nice live feed. We have hired an audio-visual firm to actually film and record the event. We plan to have the suppliers there in a trade show, whether it's virtually or actually in person. The Sask Tune-In is just bending over backwards to accommodate us. They've given us all three ballrooms, A, B, and C, so we can have lots of social distancing. And it's going to be a great event, whether it's live in person or whether you're going to be watching it on the big screen, or whether you're going to be sitting in your office watching it. Dave Lohr has agreed to do a seminar on Friday. We got the trade show set up for Friday night, and we have our regular AGM on Saturday that's going to be broadcast. Also want to bring to your attention in the newsletter the information from Saskpolytech. I don't know if every one of you really understands the fantastic opportunity to get your ICAR Gold Class certification through Saskpolytech at basically a third of the cost that it would normally be. Even if you've taken a lot of the classes already, you might be better to just circle back and sign up with Saskpolytech. For example, if you haven't taken the welding certification, it's probably worth your while to do that. The other thing I wanted to mention is that Saskpolytech has a number of immigrant people that are going through their pre-employment program. They got interrupted because of the COVID situation, so some of them don't have a lot of training, but they have a very strong desire to get to work, and they would love an opportunity to work in your shop in the summertime, even as a part-time employee, until they get back to school in the fall. So if you're interested in that, you need to contact Scott Kukarishan. A couple things, some of you may or may not have taken in the ICAR ADAS film that was put on YouTube last week. I just put a copy of it there so you can watch it. Just great information, and there's just so much coming down the pipe, and it's free, so why not take advantage of it. Also, I had a little article there from SCRS on the GM Tech page. Basically, it kind of outlines, their ADAS requirements. A great little tool that you could put on your estimating page and refer to it from time to time when you're working on GM vehicles. And finally, with cool tools, I want to thank Nathan from Valley Collision out in Fort Qu'Appelle, beautiful Fort Qu'Appelle. I want to go there and spend some time this summer if I can ever get away from this beautiful lake. But we talked about that reflective grid, and that particularly the tool that was designed to be kind of a transparent reflective grid to show body damage. Well, Nathan Wicks from Valley Collision, he's contracted his supplier that does striping for him to put a reflective tape grid together, and it worked out just perfectly for him. So check out the pictures that Nathan's got, check out his comments on it, and again, I just want to thank Nathan for stepping up and helping us out with the cool tools. If you have a cool tool or a neat thing that you use in your shop, why not share it with other people and help them become better as well? Anyway, have a great week. I'm at the lake right now. It's an absolutely beautiful day. I think I'm going to go out on the boat. I got 3 grandchildren here. I'm just going to turn this around so you get an idea of what I'm looking at. This is where I spend my time in the summers, and it is a great place. Something about the lake that is just very relaxing and just kind of lets you kind of chill out. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday where you can just chill out and relax, get some rest for the coming week, and I look forward to talking to you very soon. Bye for now.